Good evening my dear friends. Today we are going to shoot the video. This is really wonderful video. In this video you will see, I will tell to my students what things you see in the classroom. So pick up the things and describe the things in English. For example, this is a watch. So how you will describe it? Okay. So कैसे आपको describe करना है? Pick up the watch. Pick up anything what you like. There are many things in the classroom. This is bottle, bag, whiteboard and box, फेविकॉल, माइक स्टैंड. देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स. ओके. सो गाइस ये वीडियो बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाला है. इन दिस वीडियो आप देखेंगे, इस वीडियो में सारे स्टूडेंट्स वन बाय वन आएंगे. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर किड्स. सो ये आएंगे और उस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे इन इंग्लिश. हो सकता है बच्चे बोलने के दौरान कुछ मिस्टेक्स कर दें. आई रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन, प्लीज़ डोंट डिमोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट्स. दे आर द बिगिनर्स, दे आर द लर्नर्स एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू लर्न समथिंग. और मैं मानता हूँ कि जब भी हम कोई काम करते हैं तो उसमें कुछ मिस्टेक्स भी हो जाती हैं. और ये स्टूडेंट्स अभी बिगिनर्स हैं, सीखना शुरू कर रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं. और अगर इनसे कोई मिस्टेक हो जाए तो आप उसे प्लीज़ डिमोटिवेट मत करें. इनके कॉन्फिडेंस को आप भी बढ़ाइए. और मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ, वन डे दे विल स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली एंड दे विल स्पीक वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली. सो आई होप गाइस आपको समझ में आ गया. आपको क्या करना है, चीज़ों को उठाना है या उसकी तरफ इशारा करना है और उसको अपने वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब करना है, जो भी आप बोल सकते हैं. एंड यू विल हैव ओनली 5 मिनट टाइम. ओके. सो आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हार्दिक. ओके. प्लीज़ होल्ड द माइक एंड गाइस नाउ ऑल द स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ गो बैक टू योर प्लेस.
Good evening everyone. I am going to describe the things what we have in the classrooms. So okay, first we have to describe the glue. So the glue is very useful things to paste anything and like paper, cardboard and anything. And this is a pen. This is useful for writing writing. And this is many types of pen like gel, ball pen, dot pen and any others. And this is many types of color in pen. And this is a cutter. Cutter is used to cut anything that cardboard, thermocol and paper also. And this is a watch. Watch is useful for seeing the time, what the time is going on. And this is many types of watch like electric watch, wristwatch and any types of. And this is a notebook. This notebook is useful for writing something what you learn, and you will write in the notebook. And this is very useful for us. And this is a sofa. Look at here. This is a sofa. This is very useful for us when you, if you are very tired and very sleepless, so you can sit on there and rest and take a rest. Very useful things for us. And there are many types of sofas. And this is a single sofa, and we have to via long sofa and two double sofa in the market. And this is a bottle. Bottle is useful for us to carry a water in it. And when we are going to journey and you have a
when we go
on journey.
When we go on journey, we can carry water.
We can carry bottle or water in it, so we can drink water. And this is a box. This is a plastic box, and this is made up of plastic, and this is useful for us to carrying a pen, pencil, eraser, scale and many types of things. And there are many types of box like geometry and plastics and any steel types of any others. And this is a bag. This is bag for useful for us carry notebook and it. And this is very useful to this is very simple to carry on our back and carry on everywhere where you want to go to carry on his bag.
Okay, very good, wonderful. Really you have done a good job. Yes. And wonderful performance. एंड आई अप्रिशिएट योर परफॉर्मेंस. वेरी गुड. मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि मैं कुछ अलग करूं, कुछ हटके करूं, और मेरे दिमाग में ये आइडिया आया और मैंने तुरंत ही इसको इम्प्लाई कर दिया. यू कैन डिस्क्राइब एनीथिंग, यू कैन से एनीथिंग, यू कैन टेल एनीथिंग व्हाट यू लाइक. आई कैन से दैट रियली दिस इज अ वंडरफुल एक्सरसाइज. गाइस यू कैन डू दिस एक्सरसाइज एट योर होम टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. और आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा. आप इस एक्सरसाइज को घर पे भी कर सकते हैं. आप लोगों से मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको ये वीडियो इस बच्चे का टॉकिंग स्टाइल, बोलने का तरीका रियली अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए। और मैं एक बात मानता हूँ गाइस, लाइफ में कभी भी लर्निंग को स्टॉप मत कीजिए। नेवर स्टॉप्स लर्निंग बिकॉज लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप्स। रिमेंबर गाइस, I am repeating this line again, and remember this thing in your life. Don't forget it, and it will really help you to learn many things. Never stops learning because learning never stops. Next, who would like to come on the stage? Yes, Arnab. Yes, please come on the stage. Yes, go.
Good evening everyone, my name is Arnab Singh. I am 13 years old. I am here to describe the things what are in the classroom. And this is a pen holder used for putting pens, pencils, whitener, etc. And there is also a watch which shows our times, what is going on. And this is a wristwatch which we wear in our hands. This also shows the time what is going on. And this is a notebook used for writing anything what we are learning in schools, tuitions, and anywhere. And this is a thermocol cutter. This is used for cutting thermocol. Easily cuts by thermocol. Thermocol cuts easily. Thermocol cutter easily cuts thermocol. This is a pen used by the teachers for signing and gives marks to the students. There is many types of pens like fountain pen, gel pen, ball pen, dot pen, and there are also many colors of pens: red, blue, pink, many colors.
Okay, Arnab, do you know what is this?
Yes, I know this is a mobile.
This is mobile, and it is used for
communicating and
sending messages and
sending
making
messages
a call.
and
Let's now
making a
describe
call.
about it.
Hello guys, this is a mobile used for communicating with our friends which are living from far places, and this helps us to send messages, photos, videos. If we are in program and our family is in home, we can record video and send in our family phone, and they can also see the program what is going on. And we also use internet using websites, learning websites, and also use online studies on it. It helps us to students for doing online video call classes and giving examination. And this is a Fevicol used for pasting papers which are teased from the notebook. This is a box. This is a box used for carrying pencils, pens, scales to a school easily. This is a bottle used for drinking water, and we can also fill water and go to a journey.
Okay, thank you. Very good, wonderful. Arnab, I would like to ask a question. How many days have you completed in Success Point?
I have completed 1.5 months.
Within 1.5 months, you have improved a lot, or you have not improved a lot?
I improved a lot.
Your name is Aryan.
Yes, sir.
And you want to become a singer.
Yes, I want.
So describe the things.
Good evening, guys. First of all, thank you to sir for giving me this nice opportunity. Today we are discussing what is in our class. So first of all, this is a watch, and this is a wrist watch, and we use for see the time and what is the time, and we also put this in our wrist. So this is very useful thing in our life, and it give a very good lesson for us. And guys, this is a phone, and this is for communicated any other friend and do texting with others. And we all know that there are many much websites on this little phone. So this is very useful for us, but which is good for so this is very useful for us. So we have to use in a limit. Okay, so This is a gum. We also call this Fevicol, and this is used for to tease a paper and to paste a paper and any cardboard with to any other things. And guys, this is a pen, and teacher used to check our copies and examination copies. So, and we also write from that. And this is many types of like Trimax, Fountain, and much other pens. So this is very useful thing. And guys, this is a cutter, and we also call that thermocol cutter because it cuts a thermocol very easily. And this also cut cardboard, and also sometimes it also cut paper. So this is. And guys, we are this is a pen holder. Sometimes we have much pen, and we think where we put our pen. So guys, we put put our pen in that. And here is also a watch in this. So we will see the time. And guys, now come here. And this is a box, and it is used for put our pen, pencils, and some extra things in our box. And box are also many types like geometry, plastic box, and steel box. So we. And guys, this is bottle. This is very useful for us for going any travel and going to school. We also put this in our school. So we just fill water in this, and we go to school. We will drink water. So guys, we all are saying that this is whiteboard. Our sir teach to us for very good knowledge. And this is very expensive, and it is a whiteboard, and it will hang on any wall. So where teacher writes, and we note in our copies. So this is very useful thing.
I think you have described many things, so give the chance to other.
Yes.
Okay, and very well.
Thank you.
Really, you also did a good job. Wonderful performance.
Thank you.
Okay, next, let's clapping for. Yeah, in last, actually you want to become a singer, so please sing only 2 lines. Okay.
Okay guys, so 2 lines of a song of Uttarakhand ke Raja. So I am going to sing. So the song was just like it. रे बोड़े रोड़ा हो जागा जे डमरू तने बजाया ना, इतनी दूर हरियाणे ते मन रेक सुनन में आए, मुक्ति पे चंदा केशम गंगा डुबकी लगा ले तन मन चंगा, गले में लटके नाग मारे झटके रे डीजे पे आग लगा जा, हो उत्तराखंड के राजा नंदी ने लेके आजा, पवित्र जल माँ गंगा मेरी नैया पार लगा जा, हो उत्तराखंड के राजा.
Your voice is really melodious, and my best wishes always with you. So besides study, you can fulfill your desire, and this is your hobby.
Yes, sir.
So very good, nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next. Yes, come on. Yeah. Sir, what is your name?
My name is Raj Rawat.
Yeah, and you are very naughty boy.
No,
You are
sir.
naughty boy?
Yes, sir.
You are naughty boy.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, you are not naughty boy. You are a
Yes,
good
sir.
boy.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that you are a good boy?
Yes, sir.
So you are a boy or you are a girl?
Yes, sir, I am a boy.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident enough?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident enough?
Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Yes, sir.
And you are a good learner.
Yes, sir.
Are you a good learner?
Yes, sir, I am a good learner.
And how many days have you completed in Success Point?
Sir, 20 days.
Only 20 days. So within 20 days, what you have learned, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now do you know what is the task?
Yes, sir. My task is
is to describe the things
Yes, sir.
which are in the classroom. So please hold the mic and describe all these things. What you can see, you can go ahead or okay. You can go ahead also, okay?
This is notebook. Notebook is this is very useful, and you write anything in your notebook, and this is eco-friendly made. And this is cutter. Cutter is very useful because cut your thermocol, cardboard, and anything cut in your cutter. Guys, this is box. Box is very useful. Carry on pencil box, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and anything. Guys, this is bottle. Bottle is very useful because you carry water, and anywhere travel you carry up. Guys, this is bag. Bag is also very useful. You carry books, water bottle, and anything. And guys, this is board. Board is very useful. Write anything, and sir also write in this board. And thank you.
Okay, very good. Raj Rawat, कमाल कर दिया बॉस तूने. Within 20 days you have proved anybody can learn English, okay? And it is not very difficult task. It is really very easy job. What do you think? It is easy or it is difficult?
Sir, English sir, very easy
Yeah.
on success point.
Okay.
Learning.
If we determine, then we can learn any language. Okay, it depend upon us. Okay, if you determine, then you can learn anything. And English is not very difficult task. If we are fully devoted, if we are fully dedicated to learn the things, nobody can stop you from learning. Okay,
Yes,
so yes, very good, wonderful, and clapping for Raj Rawat. Next, Prince. Okay, Prince, so don't worry at all, okay? Speak what you like. Don't try to enhance the time. This is not important how much time you have spoken. Important thing is this, how you have spoken, okay? So मैं मानता हूँ कि ऐसे बच्चे जो बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलते हैं वो कभी नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन जो ट्राई करते हैं और बोलने के दौरान इफ़ दे कमिट सम मिस्टेक्स देन इट इज़ नॉट अ बिग मैटर. अगर आप बोलेंगे तो कुछ मिस्टेक्स भी होंगे, उनको हम सुधार लेंगे, ठीक है? लेकिन इसके लिए आपका ज़रूरी है बोलना. सो डोंट वरी एट ऑल, स्पीक एनीथिंग व्हाट यू लाइक, ओके? एंड डोंट बी नर्वस. अपने मन से बोलो, जो भी मन में आए बोलो, ओके? आर यू हैप्पी?
Yes.
आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट?
Yes, I am.
आर यू नर्वस?
No, I'm not.
ओके, यू आर नॉट नर्वस. सो यस, प्लीज होल्ड द माइक एंड डिस्क्राइब द थिंग्स. यस प्लीज, सही से पकड़िए इसको भी पकड़ो. यस.
This is notebook. Notebook is very useful. It is teaches. It is write and teaches other. This is pen. It is teacher signature and other.
I think you want to say teachers use it for making signature, okay? The students also use it for writing something. Do you use pen?
Yes, I use pen.
Why do you use pen?
But yes, I have to
For
use
writing something.
for writing.
I use pen for writing something, okay? And this is a notebook.
Book.
For do you use notebook?
Yes, I have used. Yes,
Why do you use notebook?
Yes, why do?
I use notebook for writing. Yeah? When you go to school, so you learn many subjects in school, okay? You learn many subjects in school. So you have a notebook, Hindi, English, SST, and other subjects also. So we make notes and we write something on the notebook, and really it is very useful thing, okay, for students and for teachers. What is this?
This is my.
Yeah, this is mine. And what is this?
This is mobile.
And why do we use it?
Yes,
For
yes.
making call and sending message.
Yes.
Okay, this is a
This is
what is this guy? This is pen holder, and we use it for keeping pen. Okay.
Keeping pen,
Okay.
okay.
And this is what is this guys? What is this?
This watch.
You put on wristwatch?
Yes.
This is a wristwatch. You put on wristwatch?
Yes, I put on the this
Okay,
watch.
and we can see the time. What is the time now? Okay, so you can see the time and tell the time. This time, the watch gives us not correct time. Okay, okay, and okay, do practice at your home. Then I will give the opportunity again and speak. Okay, so don't be nervous while speaking in front of the camera. Be confident. बोलो I am the best.
I am a best.
I am the best.
I am a best.
जोर से बोलो I am the best.
I am a best.
I am a best नहीं I am the best.
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 I can do.
I can do.
I am the best.
I am a best.
I can do.
I can
अब
do.
3 बार बोलो I am the best. I can do.
I am
the best. I can do.
I am a best. I
I
can
am
do.
the best. I can do.
I am the best. I can do.
Yes, once again.
I am the best. I can do.
Once again.
I am the best. I can do.
Yes, clapping for him. Do you want to speak something?
Yes.
So, would you like to describe the things which are in the classroom, or you would not like to describe? Would you like to describe? Please, you don't want to describe?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if you want to describe, so please describe in very short. Yes, pick up the things and yes, please. Come on, within 2 minutes, describe what you see.
Hello guys, this is a notebook. Notebook is a write a letter and
Used for writing.
notebook use.
This is, आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. This is a notebook and it is used for writing. I also use.
This is a bag. This is a bag and a bag is a very useful and carry the notebook and lunch and also.
Okay, describe what you like and don't see the bag.
And this is a cutter. Cutter is a very useful thermocol cut and cardboard cut and this is a watch give us the time and this is a bottle is a very useful very useful picnic and
Bottle is very useful for.
very useful for water drinking and
When you go outside, you can carry it.
yes. And this is a box. Box is a very useful. Carry the pen, pencil, and eraser, and sharpener, and all. This is a pen stander, and pen stander is a very useful pen carry and widener and also
Do you use pen or not?
use.
You use pen.
Yes.
So you do not write with pencil. You write with pen.
Yes.
So this is a red pen.
Yes.
Who use it?
Teach.
Teacher.
Teacher.
So guys, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, and he is a kid and he committed some mistakes while speaking, but don't demotivate him. I also appreciate him and very good. Best of luck and try करो, अब चीज़ों को और भी improve करो. And now I want to ask a last question. How many days have you completed in Success Point?
Completed success point 20 days.
Okay, I have completed
I have completed
20 days.
20 days.
Okay, so within 20 days you have learned some things. Please tell me the topics what you have learned within 20 days. कौन-कौन से टॉपिक सीखे आपने? Verb of to be.
Verb of to be.
Do
have and present, past and future.
Okay, go. And now clapping for him. Okay, now time is over. So prepare this activity at your home, okay? And really this activity will help you to improve your English. This is a practical way to improve your English, okay? Thank you so much. गाइस अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर जरूर करिए। स्टूडेंट्स हैव कंप्लीटेड ओनली 20 days एंड सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव कंप्लीटेड 1 month एंड some students also completed 1.5 months. Students have spoken first time in front of the camera, so please don't demotivate them. Please motivate them so that they may speak well next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.